Good morning, students. Let's begin our study with EVS 2 topic. Chapter number 4, Evolution. Students, here we are going to study about concept of evolution, stages of evolution of animal and ape. Okay. What is evolution? The word evolution is generally understood to mean gradual and continuous change. Evolution in plants and animal world can be explained in the following manner. In the process of survival by adapting to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animal or species. Okay. Over a period of time, these internal changes become inherited characteristic seen in all following generation. Thus, a new species with characteristic different from the original may be created. Such a species is usually more evolved than the original one. Sometimes the original species dies out or become extinct. Sometimes more than one species evolve from the original one. The first scientist to give the systematic explanation of concept of evolution was Charles Darwin. Okay, species which are capable of adapting to the environmental changes are able to survive, and one that are not become extinct in the process of evolution. Okay. In ancient time, there were many species of type of animal called dinosaur. Dino in Greek means terrible and saurus means lizard or reptile. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. So here you can see the picture of different species of dinosaur. Fossils of dinosaur with wing have been discovered. It is believed that some species of two-legged and winged dinosaur evolved into birds. You can see a constructed picture of dinosaur with wing. Next, stages of evolution of animal. So here, last time what we have learned? Yes, we have learned that life on the earth began with unicellular organism called as protozoa, and these unicellular organism give rise to multicellular organism. Multicellular organism evolved gradually and various classes of plants and animals come into being. The following are the stages of evolution of animal. First is invertebrate. Animal without a backbone. Invertebrates. For example, snail. See the clear picture of snail. Next is vertebrate. Animal which have backbone are called as vertebrate. For example, fish. And what about aquatic animal? Why it is called as an aquatic animal? Because it is adapted only for water. Fish live only in water. Next, amphibian. Amphibian which live in water as well as on land. For example, frog, crocodile. These tortoise also. They are the animal which could live in water as well as on land. Next, about reptile. So student, it is said that reptiles almost lay eggs. Okay. So here bird also lay egg. So do they come in reptiles? No, they are not coming in reptiles. They are coming in differentiation, that is their bird. Okay, but here reptiles, animal which crawled for example, that is a snake. They are said to be reptile. What about mammal? Example here is given about cow. So what is mammal actually? Mammals are most evolved animal among vertebrates. The following are the characteristics, that is growth of the baby in mother's womb. But some animal, okay, that is sometime before birth, the baby is fed on mother's milk for some time after birth. Example here is given about the platypus. Students, see this animal, a platypus. Okay, so this is also said to be a mammal. Platypus and some species anteaters are exception to this. Okay, but here are considered as mammal. They are considered as mammal because yes, even though they lay egg, they suck their young ones. Okay, you can see the picture of anteater. Now what is ape? Animal, sorry, ape somewhat like human in appearance. They almost live on tree. Those species of ape which continue to live on tree retain their original ape form. However, in grassland, some ape species were forced to move around on the ground. These species evolved gradually and in time gave rise to human species. This happened first on the African continent. The first human species is called primitive man. Primitive means the first. In the next lesson, we shall learn more about evolution of human species. Students, do you know Charles Linnaeus has introduced the method of classification of animals. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution in his book, The Origin of Species. Charles Darwin elaborated his view on evolution in his second book, The Descent of Man. And in 20th century, the advance to sustain the theory of evolution become available. With this, I am finishing the topic. Let's go with the home assignment. First systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was given by Charles Darwin. Dash are the most evolved animal among vertebrates, that is mammal. Okay, dino in Greek means terrible. Next, this is the match the following. Okay, dates are given on which what has happened. Then you have to do this exercise also. Bye students, we'll meet in next lecture.